Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Hisense TV stuck on welcome screen. Quick troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Turn off your Hisense TV and unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now press and hold the TV's power button for 15 to 20 seconds and wait for 2 minutes. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Remove external devices. Turn off the TV and disconnect all HDMI devices, USB drives, soundbar, and gaming consoles. Then turn the TV back on and check if the TV gets past the welcome screen. Fix 3. Restart the TV using the remote. Point the remote at the TV and press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Then wait for the TV to restart automatically and check whether the welcome screen disappears. Fix 4. Perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the TV if your model has one. Then use a paper clip to press and hold the button for 15 to 20 seconds. Then wait for the TV to restart. Now follow the on-screen setup process. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.